Sideburns have the ability to finish off a hairstyle, frame your face, and make you look super cool if you've actually got them and you're doing them right. Gentlemen, today I want to talk real quick about sideburns because in my opinion, one of the biggest mistakes that men make when it comes to their hairstyle is trimming them or shaving them too high. Cutting them off right at the top of the ear. Now, if you have some type of skin fade, right, you can totally get away with not having sideburns. But for the rest of you who are not going like completely bald, you got to make sure that you are rocking the appropriate sideburn. In terms of where your sideburn should stop, gentlemen, what I would recommend is right in the center of that little piece of cartilage. You could also drop it down a little bit lower, but instead of cutting it straight across, what I want you to do is angle your sideburn slightly. This slight angle is going to follow your jawline, make your face and your hairstyle look more aesthetic. Instead of here, it's here. It's a small, subtle detail that makes a big difference in terms of the stylistic nature of your burns. Gentlemen, it is all about adding a little more symmetry, a little more contour to your hairstyle, right? Like we said, sideburns are critical for finishing off your hairstyle. If you're just cutting them up there, right, it's not looking finished. It's also not framing your face, making it look more angular. Gentlemen, sideburns, you need them. If you're missing them, you are missing out.